this is Monica, and I am celebrating a birthday today with Kel and the rest of the wonderful ladies at the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Come on, join me and see what I put together for the Gold Rush 21 party. First up is some golden decor. Now, I went to a trip to the Biltmore Estates back in 2016, and they had a lot of golden decor, and I thought that I would share some of my photos of that trip with you. I have yet to post that anywhere, so you're seeing that for the first time here. And they really had some beautiful Christmas trees during that time with a lot of golden decorations. Now here is a dress that Nicole Kidman wore in Portrait of a Lady, and I haven't seen that movie, so this is making me want to explore that. Moving on to some of my own decor, this is my home that was in El Paso, Texas, where I had a beautiful fireplace, and I used to love to decorate for all the different seasons, and these are my golden decorations. Here in Kentucky, I have a farmhouse fireplace, and we have a lot of remodeling going on, so we have several things that are left to do, but we did refurbish the wood stove that you see there, and my cats are lounging in front of it over there on your left, but there's a lot more work we have to do to clean the brick and everything, so that is about as good as it's getting right now. We sold the house in Texas. I had some floral arrangements that I put together for the dining room for the people that were coming to look at the house, and it was really cute. I have a video if you'd like to see how I did that. This is my sunflower doily that I have here in my Kentucky home, and I got some brand new curtains that I've got in my kitchen area with some golden flowers with just a little touch of blue that matches the painting that I have. My mother-in-law painted a blue heron for us, which matches our area out here. Now we're going to talk about some golden flowers. Now, everything that I have here is just a mishmash of some gold colored flowers of Kentucky. These are some daffodils. My neighbor is the one that has all these beautiful flowers. I cannot claim any of these as my own, unfortunately, but they're just beautiful, and at different times of the year there's always some sort of pop of color, especially the yellow and the oranges that come out at different times. Now here are some, I believe those are black-eyed Susans, and then I'm showing you the golden leaves of my walk whenever I go in the fall. Showing off my broccoli and zucchini flowers for you here. I was really quite surprised that broccoli even had golden flowers, but I took a picture for proof. Here are some golden food items that I have made over the years, and I really enjoyed doing these. This is some breakfast casseroles and some low-carb little muffins that I make in my muffin tins. And I have some potato soup and pea salad and spaghetti squash there for you. Here's some golden desserts that I've made, which are ultra fun for me when I was in my party phase back in Arizona. I made some chocolate-covered strawberries, some sugar-free banana pudding, lemon bars, and a M&M and Snickers candy bouquet. I have a video on that if you're interested in seeing that. Holiday tablescapes. I loved the candy corn cupcakes that I made, and I had to get some roses that matched, as well as my little Easter baskets that I had some chocolate suckers and those little ducks for some girls that were having babies. Here's some golden jewelry that I've made. I've got lots of themes, but I had more gold jewelry than I actually thought I did. I have some teams here, some Green Bay Packers, San Francisco, the Steelers, the Minnesota Vikings, just a whole bunch there, mishmash. These are my Twilight bracelets and water for elephants. If any of you all are interested, there are lovely books available for your reading pleasure. These are just some summary bracelets that I had, suicide awareness up here at the upper right. And I really enjoy making themed bracelets, as you can tell. The bracelet here to the far right is the Peach Harvest bracelet that was featured in the book Color by Renee Christine and Carrie Bunker that I've talked about before. I had a lovely gal request some red and gold for her wedding party, so that's what these bracelets are here. That was a lot of fun getting to decorate the boxes as well, and she's just a really sweet girl. I have a broad range of products that I make, from my resin pendants there that you see at the left to my strung bracelets and necklaces, as well as my photo pendants that I do. It's a lot of fun to kind of go from one type of medium to another in jewelry making, and I suggest that you try it if you are new to it. Just, experiment, see what you like. I have some of the items that I taught classes at when I was teaching at Michael's there in Texas, and the spiders were super fun. A little spooky, but they were fun. And this is a jewelry set that I made for one of my really sweet friends, and unfortunately she's lost a few of her children. Her name is Larice, and we all called her Reese in school, so this is the reason why I made a Reese cup themed set of jewelry for her, and I believe she liked it pretty well. It was just so much fun to do this. These were resin pendants that I made and used photos of all of her little kiddos there. Now I'm craving Reese's cups. I also did a Harry Potter set for one of my good friends, little girl. She just absolutely loved the Harry Potter themed jewelry that I made for her, as well as the owl post envelope and letter that I created for her and her mom. This was just so much fun. I have seen the movies. I have not read the books, but I did my research. Here's some fun little earrings that I threw in here because they are the golden yellow color. And a friend of mine at work had asked me to fix her purse. She needed to have the handles extended, and when I did that, I had to bling it up for her. So I also made her some beaded charm dangles and put her name in beads on a little clip so she could put that on her beautiful little purse there. So I wanted to include that here because it is the right color. Really cute purse too. Any of my friends that love Game of Thrones, this is a hair bow that I made inspired by Cersei Lannister of House Lannister from Game of Thrones. If you have not seen that, check it out. There's also books that you can read. Although he's not finished writing the series of books, the series that was on HBO is over, and a lot of us are disappointed in it, but it was still good times for a couple of years. So, Kale, keep calm and party on for your birthday. I have a lot of fun, as you can tell. So I made this little floral arrangement just for this Gold Rush collab with my Sophisticated Ladies friends, and this was just an impromptu arrangement. So I just grabbed I grabbed every golden type flower that I had in my closet from the supplies that I've recently unpacked and kind of shoved them all together in my vase. I changed out my tissue paper, so these have little metallic circles on them. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a green and gold. There's some pink, but there's also like an orange and gold. I just did something really quick and fabulous to have in my little video in honor of Kale's birthday. So happy birthday, Raquel, and she goes by Kale. And this is the collaboration with the Sophisticated Ladies for the Gold Rush 21 party that she's having in honor of her birthday. So happy birthday, Kale, and thank you so much for letting me jump in here into your collab. I am having fun putting together a lot of little goodies that I have made along the way in a golden theme. And I was actually surprised at how many elements and goodies I had that had a golden vibe to it. So this was pretty fun for me. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Which one of my golden creations did you enjoy the most? And if you have any questions for me, just drop them down below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Share with any of your friends that might be interested in my content. I really appreciate that. It helps to get me out there in the algorithm. I hope that you have a sparklerific day, y'all. Bye. Happy birthday, Kel.